It's good to be with you. Welcome to Class Outside. Today, we're going to learn how to fix Unity controllers when they're stuck in the floor. This specific fix was successful for Unity 2022 project using a MetaQuest headset and the Unity XR Interaction Toolkit package. Sometimes when starting a Unity VR session, you may notice the controllers are not synced with your hands, and if you look down, they may appear inside the floor. After exiting the session, go to Edit, Project Settings, and go into the XR Plugin Management's Open XR section. Click on the Windows, Mac, and Linux tab and remove any controller profiles with the minus button. Then re-add any relevant profiles. Now try launching again. Look at that. Together, we have fixed Unity controllers being stuck in the floor. Please let me know down in the comments what you thought of this video. Have a great day, and thank you for attending Class Outside.